Sunday to you all. Today I have a quick tutorial for us. Another way you can wrap your hair up at night, especially when you have those long braids on. You don't know how to handle it. This style you can also use it to, when you want to feel a little stylish going out. You can also use this method. Okay, let me show us. All right, let's get started. So all you need to do is to get a scarf, not too big a scarf, just this much is good. So you're just gonna tie, make sure you have your ponytail already like this. So you're gonna put the scarf on top like this and just wrap it and secure it at the top like this. I hope we can see what I'm doing. Good. Now we have this long tail. What are we going to do with it? So all you now need to do is to wrap this hair. Just wrap it up and put it in a bun. If you don't know how to make a bun, request that in the comment section, then I can do another video to teach us how to do that. So you're just going to wrap it and tuck the excess underneath like so. If you feel it's not well secured, it's always going to be very secure. You can use a pin, but you may not need it. So you see what I did? I hope we can see. See how beautiful it looks. So if you're going out, you just go this way, just like show it off. But if you want to go to bed, you just need to put your bonnet on it, your satin bonnet, and you're all set for the night. If you love this tutorial, don't fail to subscribe, comment. Let me know if you want this type of fun tutorials coming your way from this channel, and I'll do well to bring them to us. All right, so stay tuned for more videos coming from me. All right, have a wonderful Sunday once again. Bye.